What if the backdrop of your New Year celebration could become the most unforgettable moment of the night? What if the space behind your table, behind your bar cart, behind your countdown photos could sparkle, glow, and set the stage for the magic of midnight? A stunning New Year backdrop doesn't just decorate the room, it transforms it. It becomes the visual heartbeat of your celebration, the place where pictures happen, where memories are frozen in time, where the atmosphere feels electric with possibility. Imagine shimmering metallic curtains cascading like champagne, fairy lights weaving through soft textures, floating balloons glowing like midnight stars, elegant numbers, glittering accents, and reflective surfaces that catch every bit of light. Today, we're creating breathtaking New Year backdrops that feel cinematic, glamorous, modern, and impossible to forget. Let's craft the perfect countdown scene.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why is a New Year backdrop so important for your celebration? Your backdrop is the centerpiece of the night, not just for decor but for experience. It sets the emotional tone of the countdown. It creates the perfect environment for pictures, videos, group moments, and celebration memories. Without a backdrop, the room feels empty. With one, it instantly feels festive, intentional, and elevated. Guests naturally gravitate toward it. They stand in front of it for countdown photos, they pose. With their drinks, they gather for group shots, and they use it as the visual anchor of the night. A beautiful backdrop turns your party into an event. It becomes the signature moment of your celebration, the one everyone remembers and shares. If you love creating unforgettable celebration moments, tap like and let's keep the inspiration flowing. What color palette works best for New Year backdrops? Your backdrop colors should feel bold, glamorous, and full of energy, because they visually represent the spirit of the new year. Gold brings warmth, sparkle, and celebration. It glows beautifully in photos and looks amazing with candlelight. Silver creates an icy, modern shimmer that feels futuristic and clean. Black adds depth, drama, and elegance, making metallic tones pop more intensely. White brings freshness and purity, perfect for clean and minimal designs. Champagne tones add soft luxury, blending the glamour of gold with the subtlety of modern neutrals. You can combine gold and black for a signature luxe look, silver and white for winter magic, or champagne and ivory for a sophisticated modern aesthetic. Choose the palette that matches the mood you want to create. Subscribe for more color-themed decor ideas that transform celebrations beautifully. How do metallic fringe curtains create the perfect New Year backdrop? Metallic fringe curtains are iconic for New Year decor. They instantly turn a plain wall into a shimmering celebration scene. They reflect light beautifully, making your room look alive with sparkle. They create movement. Every breeze, every step, every flicker of light makes the fringe dance. They're easy to layer. You can combine gold with silver, champagne with white, or black with metallic tones to create dimension and customized designs. They are budget-friendly but look glamorous, high-end, and party-ready. The reflective surface makes them perfect for photos. Guests will look like they're posing at a real event or red carpet moment. A fringe curtain backdrop brings drama, shine, and excitement into your home effortlessly. Check the description for the fringe backdrop combinations featured in this video. How can lights transform your backdrop into a magical moment? Lighting is what brings a backdrop to life. It turns decoration into atmosphere. It turns sparkle into enchantment. Fairy lights woven through curtains or garlands create a soft, glowing effect. LED curtain lights transform the backdrop into a shimmering wall of brilliance. Neon signs shaped like cheers, Happy New Year, or 2025 add modern, trendy flair. Backlit panels create a cinematic effect that makes every photo look polished and professional. Lights create magic, because New Year is a celebration of light, hope, and possibility. Check the description for the lighting used in these backdrop setups. How can balloons elevate your New Year backdrop? Balloons are one of the most transformative elements for New Year's decor. They add height, movement, shape, and pure celebration energy. Use number balloons to instantly set the theme. Bold, metallic, and perfect for photos. Add a balloon arch to frame your backdrop, creating a luxurious sculptural effect. Use small orbs, stars, and metallic spheres to bring dimension and shine. Choose clear balloons filled with confetti or lights to add sparkle and glow. Balloons soften the backdrop, make it feel more dynamic, and help create a grand, welcoming scene. And the best part, they're incredibly photogenic. Save this video to your playlist so you can recreate your balloon backdrops step by step. How can mirrors and reflective elements make your backdrop unforgettable? Reflections add magic. They multiply your lights, deepen your colors, and make the backdrop look larger, richer, and more dynamic. Mirrored panels reflect candlelight and create a chic, modern effect. Disco balls add sparkle and movement, casting shimmering patterns across the room. Glass ornaments and mirrored trays reflect the colors and lights beautifully. Reflective wall decals or metallic stars make your backdrop glow from every angle. These reflective details turn your backdrop into a full visual experience, not just decor but a glowing celebration. Check the description for reflective decorations featured in this backdrop design. How do textures like fabric, tulle, or velvet elevate your New Year backdrop? Texture adds richness. It makes your backdrop feel intentional, luxurious, and layered. Velvet panels create depth and elegance, perfect for upscale celebrations. Tulle brings softness and a dreamy glow when combined with fairy lights. Satin and silk fabrics add a glamorous sheen that catches light beautifully. Layered draping creates movement and dimension, transforming a simple wall into a luxurious display. Texture brings balance to the metallic elements, making the backdrop feel complete, immersive, and beautifully styled. Like and share this video if you love soft, luxurious textures and celebration decor. How can you personalize your New Year backdrop? Personal touches make the decor meaningful and memorable. They help your guests feel connected to the celebration. You can add a custom sign with your family name, a meaningful quote, or a word that represents your goals for the upcoming year. Place framed photos from the past year to honor memory and growth. Use a resolution board where guests can write wishes for the new year. Add elements that reflect your personality, travel themes, romantic touches, or artistic accents. A backdrop with personal meaning becomes emotional, a celebration of past, present, and future all at once. Comment what personal touch you'd add to your New Year backdrop. And that is how you create a breathtaking New Year backdrop, a moment of sparkle, glow, movement, elegance, and celebration. This year, let your backdrop shine like the countdown. Let it shimmer like fireworks. Let it become the unforgettable centerpiece of your New Year celebration. Happy New Year! May your home and heart be filled with beauty, joy, and magical new beginnings.